everyone, how are you? And if you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is KCV, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Beauteque monthly subscription boxes. Beauteque is a Korean beauty brand monthly subscription service that reached out to me actually to try out these boxes and also review for you guys. 100% honest opinion coming from me. They're not paying me to do this video whatsoever, but I did want to share that with you, and they actually gave me a coupon code to share with you as well. So if you guys are curious to see what these boxes are about, I have a box and a bag here. Definitely stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, that way you are subscribed to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so that you are notified for when I do upload. Also follow me on all my social medias. It's KCV23. I've been slowly coming back on there as well, so you definitely want to make sure you follow me for those. But that is it. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so we have two boxes from Beauteque Monthly here. We have the Mask Maven box, which actually comes in this little foiler and a little pouch that was inside this foiler. It comes with 9 different masks, sheet masks and whatnot. Korean beauty brands from like higher end to just smaller companies. I think it's a really good variety. You get 9 of them for $13 a month, which is pretty good because sometimes one sheet mask is like $4 in itself, and you'll get 9 for the price of more than that. You probably would only get 3 or so sheet masks in the store for $13, and here you're getting 9, so that's a good deal in itself. And then the other one is the BB Beauty box, and this is what it looks like. And this one has 6 full-size skincare, makeup, beauty products, Korean beauty products in here to try out. This is going to be for the month of July. I know we're in September, but they did send this to me late to try out. So this is the box from July. I'll have the actual site listed down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves and see what they offer. They do have the monthly subscription, but you can also shop there separately. You don't have to actually buy the monthly subscription. This little beauty box is $22 a month, so similar to BoxyCharm, and you get 6 full-size products like I said. By the end of this video, if you decide that you want to try out this box for yourself, I do have a coupon code for you. I don't make any money from it whatsoever. It's just for you guys to get some money off and save some money off your first box. So if you just type in KCV25, you'll get 25% off for the first month, and that way you guys can save a little bit of money and try this out for yourselves. Okay, getting into the unboxing now. This is the first one I'm going to do. This is the Mask Maven for July. It comes with a little pamphlet here, which I believe lists all the products that come in this little pouch. Yes, it has all the products here. I don't know if you can see. I know my thing tends to whitewash paper. So it has all of the different types of masks that you get in this month's box. And it doesn't list any prices or anything, but it has some information on it, which is really good. So we're going to go ahead and just open up this pouch and talk about each of the masks. So right away, the first thing that came out is this thing right here. This is really cool. So this is the Skin Boni Wash Off Mask, Green Tea. It says a Yogurt Bon Mini Wash Off Mud Pack. That looks really interesting. Obviously this is not a sheet mask, it's an actual mask that you put on your face. It says why we love it. It is a nourishing mask that contains antioxidant rich green tea powder and also other extracts that will boost your overall skin health. I really love masks in general. I use masks almost every day now because it really has improved my skin, and you can like alternate different types of masks. Some are hydrating, some are skin clearing, stuff like that, and sheet masks are really good to alternate for that. But I do love using actual mud and like thick masks that you apply yourself a couple times a week as well, so I'm really excited. This is a really cute packaging. So the next one is this right here, and I automatically see that this is going to be soothing of some sort because it says oatmeal on it and it's moisturizing. It is the Saem Natural Oatmeal Sheet Mask. It's supposed to keep your skin soft and well hydrated, works for all skin types. If you have sensitive skin like me, products that have oatmeal in it are really good too for like soothing the skin. So I'm excited for this. I'm gonna say that for everything. I'm gonna be excited for all these products, but I really love masks like that, so interesting. The next one is this one right here. It is also from the brand the Saem. I'm actually going to put all the product names either on the screen or listed down below because some of these are kind of hard to pronounce for me. So I'm probably butchering these names. But this is from the same brand as the other mask. It is the Saem Natural Tox Tomato Sheet Mask. It's supposed to deeply moisturize and tighten skin while help remove redness. I do get tons of redness in my T-zone, just like this area right here, wherever I tend to have like breakouts or just sensitivity in general. That's where I get red, so I'm definitely going to try that out. So the next one is the Papa Recipe Bombee Black Honey Mask Pack. It's supposed to provide nutrition that brightens skin and leaves your face feeling and looking smooth. I love sheet masks that have honey in it. It's always super hydrating and nourishing, so that's really awesome. So another tomato sheet mask. I don't think I've ever tried a sheet mask that has tomato in it, so these are really interesting. So this is the Holic Tomato Natural Tox Sheet Mask. It says that tomato extract brightens your skin, leaves you with a smooth and clear complexion for perfect brunch date. So it's saying brunch date because the theme for July was brunch menu, and I didn't mention that before, so that's kind of cute that they incorporated that. I also want to point out that they laid this out almost like a brunch menu. So 3 masks are oatmeal or like nourishing, these are drinks, and then the bottom one is like the omelet type masks, and I think that's just really cute that they formulated it that way. So moving on, we have this one. This is interesting. This is a sheet mask too, but it looks different. This is the Candy O Lady Candy Mask Honey Milk. It is a sweet honey mask that will leave your skin hydrated, smooth, and will brighten dull skin. Again, honey's really good for that, smoothing and brightening and hydrating. So now we're moving on to the next one. This one is an egg essence sheet mask. It is the Esfolio Pure Skin Essence Sheet Mask in egg. Egg yolk extract helps make skin moist and revitalized. Another egg white one right here, and this one is the Cos.W My Real Skin Egg White. It is supposed to be pore tightening. The egg white helps tighten large pores by removing dirt trapped within. This is something that I would probably use once a week if I were to get more of these, because I definitely need to tighten my pores, and I am always detoxifying my pores. They just get clogged very easily. And then the last one that comes in the Mask Maven box is the Annie's Way Bubble Tea Black Tea Sheet Mask. It says black tea is perfect for your brunch date. The mask is packed with antioxidants that help protect skin and fight signs of aging. This is really cute. So that's everything that came in the Mask Maven bag. You got all of these sheet masks and this little drink up mask here for $13, which is really awesome. I think that's a really good deal. Like I said, I spend quite a decent amount of money on sheet masks because for really good ones, they can go as high as like $5 each, sometimes more. I don't usually spend that much on them, but usually it's like between $2 and $5 for each mask. You're getting 9 here, and it's only 13 bucks. So now we're moving on to the $22 a month box. This is the BB Beauty Bag box. Okay, so I just opened up the box, and here are all the products in here. And then there's another little pamphlet so that you know what each product does and what you're getting. This one for the beauty box actually has the prices of each of these products, which is really cool. Like I said, the Mask Maven one didn't actually list the prices, but this one does. Okay, so the first thing I'm grabbing here is a body moisturizer in Apricot. This is from the brand the Saem. I got 2 face masks from this brand already. So this is a body lotion in Apricot. It retails for $12.99. It says it is a great smelling body lotion that hydrates your skin without feeling oily. So this has ingredients like olive oil, sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil, and it's a perfect combination to achieve radiant skin. I'm reading this just so you know if I'm like looking down, that's the reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this real quick. Wow, that is a very, very strong apricot smell, but it smells really good. So I definitely want to give this a shot. I'm always looking for a great body moisturizer, so hopefully this works. The next one here is the Baviphat Liptone Lip Tint. I don't know why it says that here, because on the box it actually says Urban City. So I'm not sure what that means, but this is what it looks like. It retails for $7.99, and it is a lip tint. It is a non-smear lip tint that will last throughout eating brunch and longer. It contains plant extracts that help hydrate your lips, and the best part, it smells like apples, so that's interesting. You use it by applying it, apply 2 coats to lip tint for a darker shade. This is really cute. This is what it looks like. It actually looks like nail polish. It does kind of smell like apples, but more like perfumed apples. So it's almost like a orangey type color. Yeah, I just rubbed it in and it does leave like a tint behind, which would be perfect for the lips. I actually really like lip tints because I always feel like my lips lack pigment and I like having my lips look somewhat vibrant. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, I always try to put some lip tint or color on it, so I really am excited to try that out. So next we have this serum. It is from the brand Saresmin and it is their Perfect Solution Serum. I have the one that is the vitamins. They also have one that is hyaluronic acid. With a base of oriental herbs and white flower extracts, this serum will help your complexion glow. I have the vitamin one, like I said. So this one has niacinamide. I always say that incorrectly, I feel like. Vitamin B3 to help restore your skin's youthful radiance. I really like this because it looks like it's in a syringe, which is quite different. Let's see. Yeah. It comes in a little syringe like this, which is cool. I wonder if it's, yeah, it looks like it has a cap and you just kind of squeeze some out and it makes it look like you have a syringe. It's a syringe of serum. This is so cute. So I can't wait to try this out. If you can't tell, I'm a sucker for packaging, and that's one thing that I really love about K-beauty brands. They tend to have really creative packaging. So next we have this sponge. So this is from the brand Sandepin. It is the My Honey Clean Sponge Cookie. It retails for $6.99. It says this will remove makeup and dirt hidden within your pores without irritating your skin. So I guess it's like a makeup removing or makeup cleaning sponge. Wet the puff with warm water and gently rub your face to remove makeup. Can be used with your favorite cleanser, but cleanser is not necessary. That's interesting. So I definitely want to give this a shot because I've seen stuff like this where it's like a cloth of some sort and you don't have to use a cleanser. So I want to see if this actually works and how it cleans out. It looks like I have another sheet mask in here. Again, you might not actually have both of these boxes. You could do one or the other. So it's really cool that they include a sheet mask in this box. And this one is from the brand Skin 17. It is the Tea Cafe Latte 3-Step Mask. This retails for $5.99, and what it's supposed to do, it is a 3-step mask that will leave your pores feeling tight and your skin hydrated. So basically what you're going to do is follow the steps. It has this T-Zone No Sebum Tightening Essence here, and this is step 1. Step 2 would be the U-Zone, which is the Boosting Lift Up ampule, and then the final step would be the actual sheet mask. So lastly we have this right here, and this is a hair serum. It looks like this is from the brand Mise-En-Scene. It is the Perfect Repair Hair Serum Treatment, and it retails for $15. It is a treatment that contains oils that leaves hair looking smooth and smelling great, works wonders on dry or damaged hair. I have to be careful with what I put in my hair because my hair is colored. I don't want anything to strip the color out of my hair, so I'll have to look into this. So basically you shampoo your hair like normal and then you apply this after and you rinse it out with warm water. I'm not sure if this is something that you would use conditioner after, but I definitely have to look into it. You can use it with a shower cap to make it an extra deep treatment. Some of the ingredients that are in here are argan oil, coconut, olive, apricot, jojoba, marula, and camellia. So that is a lot of different extracts and oils in here. So those were all the products that came in the July beauty box. I will have everything listed down below as well as the total. I can tell you right now it's definitely worth more than $22 because this one product here was $15 and a lot of these other products were more than $5 or $6 each. So you definitely get your money's worth by spending $22 if it's something that you want to do. If you are like me and you like trying out different beauty brands, different Korean beauty brands, and just you always want to see what's different, you can definitely try out one of these monthly boxes. Use my code to get 25% off. You try it for a month and see how you like it. And I'm pretty sure if you like any of the products that come in these boxes, you can also buy it separately on their site. So I'll have all the information that you need to know about these boxes listed down below. But for now, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below what your favorite K-beauty brand is. If you are into K-beauty brands like I am, I'm always trying out different ones. I really love Tony Moly, and I also love Peach, I think, is another one. There's a couple that I've been really loving lately, so if there's anything that you like and you want to recommend, definitely leave it in a comment down below. But for now, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.